Hello my dear students, this video is for standard 7. This is episode 2 of the first chapter, which is heat and temperature. My dear students, can you please tell me that when do we know that whether something is hot or cold? Can you tell me that when your parents decide that you are suffering from fever? Do you have any answer? Yes, of course you have. And the answer is, by touching your wrist, your parents decide that whether you are suffering from fever or not. By touching some object, you decide that whether that object is cold or hot, isn't it? So your parents, when your parents touch your wrist or touch your head, what do they think? What are they feeling? They are feeling the hotness of your body. Okay, and if they have any doubt regarding the temperature of your body, they use a device called as thermometer to measure the temperature of your body. So what is this temperature? Temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of an object or the environment. Environment is also hot or cold as we feel in summer or in winter, isn't it? So let us move to the definition of the temperature. The degree of hotness or coldness of a body or environment can be called as temperature, and it can be measured in 3 different scales. 3 different scientists gave 3 different scales to measure the temperature of a body, and the 3 temperature scales are Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin. The Celsius scale or degree centigrade scale was developed by Anders Celsius, and it has 100 divisions. It has total 100 divisions, and each division measures a temperature difference of 1 degree Celsius. The lowermost value or the lower fixed point of the Celsius scale is 0 degree Celsius, which is also the freezing point of water or melting point of that liquid, means water. So between the lower fixed point and the upper fixed point, the difference is of 100 divisions, and each division has equal value, and hence it measures equally the temperature difference of 1 degree Celsius. Okay. Now come to the second scale, which is Fahrenheit scale. In Fahrenheit scale, the temperature is measured in degree Fahrenheit. This scale was developed by Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit, DG Fahrenheit, and its lower fixed point, which is also based on the melting point of water, means in the form of, when it is in the form of ice, and you can say the freezing point of water when it is in liquid state. The lower fixed point is 32 degree Fahrenheit and upper fixed point is 212 degree Fahrenheit. Between these two, we can see that the difference is of 180. So the total scale between the melting point of ice and the boiling point of water is divided into 180 divisions, and each division measures a temperature difference of 1 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. So in this way, if we see the 2 scales and compare it, Celsius and Fahrenheit, we find that the 0 degree Celsius scale or the 0 degree Celsius temperature is equivalent to 32 degree Fahrenheit. So we can conclude here from this, the comparison of these 2 scales, that 100 divisions of Celsius scale is equal to the 180 divisions of Fahrenheit scale. Okay. Now come to the next scale, which is Kelvin scale, developed by Lord Kelvin. The lower fixed point of this scale is 273.15 Kelvin and the upper fixed value is 373.15 Kelvin. These two values also represent the melting point of ice and boiling point of water, or you can consider these 2 points to be the freezing point of water and boiling point of water respectively. On this scale, between the lower fixed point and the upper fixed point, there are total 100 divisions, and hence each division measures 1 Kelvin temperature difference. So in this case, if we compare the Kelvin scale and Celsius scale, we find that the 100 divisions, there is 100 divisions, and here we have 100 divisions on both the scales, and hence we can compare it to that 0 degree Celsius is equivalent to 273.15 Kelvin, and which is equivalent to 32 degree Fahrenheit also. So overall we can say that 100 division of Celsius scale is equal to 180 division of Fahrenheit, and it is equivalent to 100 divisions of Kelvin scale. Okay, and in the next class, my dear students, we shall discuss the interconversion of the different scales of temperature. Thank you. Have a nice day.